Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and healthier. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition bars, specifically focusing on one that's been making waves: Built Protein Bars. If you're on the hunt for the best low-calorie energy bars, look no further. Built Protein Bars have been gaining popularity for their delicious taste, impressive protein content, and low calorie count. Let's delve deeper into what makes these bars stand out from the rest. First things first, let's talk flavors. With options like coconut, cherry barcha, mint brownie, and more, Built offers a variety that caters to every taste bud. Whether you're a fan of classic chocolate or crave something fruity, there's a flavor for everyone. Now, let's talk numbers. Each Built Protein Bar packs a whopping 17 grams of high-quality protein. Perfect for fueling your muscles and keeping you satisfied throughout the day. And here's the kicker. With only 130 calories and 4 grams of sugar per bar, you can indulge guilt-free. These bars aren't just for athletes hitting the gym. They're also great for busy individuals who need a convenient and nutritious snack to power through their day. Whether you're rushing to work or need a post-workout pick-me-up, Built Protein Bars have got you covered. What sets Built apart from other protein bars on the market is its commitment to quality ingredients. These bars are gluten-free and packed with macronutrients that your body can easily absorb. Plus, they're free from artificial flavors and unnecessary fillers. And the best part? You can easily order Built Protein Bars online, making them accessible to anyone, anywhere. No need to hunt them down in stores. Just a few clicks, and they'll be delivered right to your doorstep. So there you have it, folks. If you're in need of a delicious, low-calorie energy bar that's packed with protein and flavor, look no further than Built Protein Bars. Trust me, once you try them, you'll never go back to your old protein bars again. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.